Although, it isn't hard to purchase laptops for general productivity tasks, identifying the right one for intricate tasks such as 3D modeling could be difficult. It requires experience and familiarity with the latest tools and popular applications. When it comes to understanding the preferences and requirements of CAD professionals and 3D modelers, it is necessary to take Revit, AutoCAD, Blender, 3D Max, Modo, Lightwave 3D, Maya, Solidworks, and other software into consideration. Each one of the mentioned applications and software sets is precisely designed to handle 3D modeling like a charm. For these industrial-grade tools for performing to their potential, it is necessary to opt for a device that features an excellent GPU and obviously a powerful CPU. While a good GPU is necessary to minimize the pressure on the processor, you must not undermine the importance of a visually empowering display to initiate most 3D modeling tasks with ease. Based on popular public opinion and the inference of our experts, the Lenovo IdeaPad L340 is probably the best laptop to run AutoCAD on. Moreover, it wouldn't be wrong to assume that if you are into using other high-end CAD tools or 3D modeling platforms, this laptop will perform as per expectations. For starters, the Intel Core i7-9750H processor is a standout performer, capable of reaching turboclocking speeds of up to 4.5 GHz. The multi-core processor supports multi-threading and is perfect for CPU-intensive tasks. The SoC is well assisted by 12 MB of cache memory and the intuitive NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 GPU and 4 GB of VRAM support. The 16 GB RAM lends ample support to the processor. The 512 GB of SSD module takes care of the storage requirements. When it comes to the processing platform, Windows 10 Home Edition is at the helm. The 17.3-inch display is an excellent inclusion for the 3D modelers and computer-aided designers. Besides that, the IPS panel brings forth the anti-glare technology, thereby allowing you to work relentlessly without putting additional strain on the eyes. Lenovo also features a backlit keyboard followed by a highly responsive touchpad. You also get two 1.5-watt speakers on this gadget followed by an HD webcam with a dual microphone array. Despite packing in powerful hardware, this gadget is still quite portable at 6.13 pounds. In terms of port management, the company incorporates USB 3.1, Type-C output, and a host of other functional slots. The Acer Predator Helios 300 is one of the best gadgets for 3D modeling when most consider it as a gaming device. Be it high-end 3D modeling applications like 3D Max, Maya, and Revit, this gadget has the processing firepower to handle modeling and renderers with seamless ease. Acer features 16 GB of RAM, which makes processing easier for the concerned SoC. Most of the modern-day applications involved in 3D modeling use multiprocessors, which eventually make way for faster renders. Therefore, sizable RAM support is necessary. Moreover, the final models require a lot of storage space, and Acer takes care of the same with the 512 GB SSD unit. The existing ultra-fast storage unit also loads the Windows 10 Home OS faster than usual. The 15.6-inch 1080p display is more of a visual treat. However, there are no lags and motion blurs as the IPS panel features a refresh rate of 144 Hz followed by an excellent overdrive response of 3 milliseconds. Acer also makes room for the 72% color gamut, thereby making way for sharper viewing angles. Other innovative specs include the 4-zone RGB-powered backlit keyboard followed by the innovative Predator Sense console that allows you to modify fan speed, profiles, and the overclocking frequency based on requirements. Apart from that, Acer also features integrated speakers, a powerful HD webcam, interactive touchpad, and an efficient array of microphones. If you had enough of the bulky gadgets for 3D modeling, it's time to consider something sleeker in the Microsoft Surface Book 2. Powering the device is the multi-core Intel Core i7-8650U processor with a base clocking speed of up to 1.9 GHz. Despite the average base clocking speed, this 2-in-1 performs as per expectations courtesy of the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060 GPU. Besides that, you also get 6 GB VRAM, thereby making this one of the best devices in the market for 3D viewport rendering. Microsoft brings in 16GB RAM, which assists the multi-core processor with 3D modeling and allows you to handle high-end applications from Autodesk and Ansys with ease. However, it is still safe to say that this device mostly supports basic 3D modeling and CAD indulgences. Storage requirements are perfectly handled by the 512GB SSD unit, which also makes sure that the Windows 10 OS loads as quickly as possible. The PixelSense 15-inch display with multi-touch support is one of the more powerful additions, making way for sharper visuals. The existing PixelSense technology is exceedingly bright and makes way for excellent color reproduction. Content creation is now easier than ever with this gadget featuring a removable backlit keyboard. Microsoft sweetens the pot further for the 3D modelers with a responsive touchpad at the helm. Besides that, you also get high-end speakers, a handy webcam, and an integrated microphone for improved productivity. To start with, MSI P65 Creator brings forth a powerful Intel Core i7-9750H CPU with a base clocking speed of up to 2.6 GHz. Besides that, you also get a feature-packed NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 GPU clubbed with 6GB of VRAM. The excellent processing hardware makes it easier for you to make use of renderers like iRay that utilize both CPU and GPU firepower for the best output. MSI offers 32GB RAM, which backups up the CPU-GPU combination in the best possible manner. 3D modelers require sizable RAM and VRAM support to handle demanding projects, followed by the availability of ultra-fast SSD units. Therefore, this device doesn't let you down and offers a 1TB solid-state storage unit for handling bigger files. Although you get Windows 10 Home version as the featured OS, the company offers several additional perks for the creator. These include multiple system modes, ray tracing support for 3D modeling and rendering, AI-assisted photo enhancements, upresing, and more. The 15.6-inch UHD display looks enthralling. The overall screen resolution at 3840 by 2160 pixels makes way for sharper viewing angles. MSI also features anti-glare technology, which minimizes ocular straining. The company also allows you to decode 8K videos via the RedConX Pro graphics support. Other highly innovative specs include a backlit keyboard, integrated gesture-determining touchpad, powerful HD webcam, built-in speakers, and an integrated microphone array. Despite being crafted meticulously using industry-grade aluminum, this durable workstation still weighs 4.19 pounds. The port arrangement is pretty holistic as well, with the gadget flaunting USB 3.1 Type-A slots, Thunderbolt 3 port, and other legacy outputs. If you seek power, precision, and performance all at once, the ZenBook Pro Duo from Asus is the perfect gadget in the market. Despite the high-end gaming-intensive hardware, it is the dual display module that gets most of the attention. The Intel Core i9-9980HK CPU is the fastest processor for 3D modeling. While the 9th Gen Intel chipsets offer a decent base clocking and significant turbo clocking speeds, the availability of 8 processor cores is enough to handle demanding modeling and rendering tasks. Besides the turbocharged clocking speeds of up to 5.0 GHz and multi-threading technology, the machine also stacks in a powerful NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 GPU with 6GB of VRAM. This unit helps you run complex CAD applications like Katya and Maya better, besides assisting seamless 3D renderers that make use of the GPU accelerometer. Asus ZenBook Pro Duo comes equipped with two 4K touch panels. For starters, the 15.6-inch primary display offers 3840 by 2160 pixels in total and features a 60 Hz refresh rate. The 14-inch Screen Pad Plus brings 3840 by 1100 pixels to your attention and features a matte screen to optimize multitasking further, especially when graphics-intensive tasks are concerned.